Can machine learning replace existing advanced IRB methodology? So, as we discussed in Basel 4 implementation, they were saying that advanced IRB is also not so recommended. Rather, we should force and everything should happen on the base standardized method. So, if we'll see and we'll look into this formula of credit card, revolving credit card credits and all, so we see that capital requirement is such a complex formula. But if we'll analyze this formula in terms of equations, and I will illustrate it in our programming language. So then you will find that this formula can be um, depicted in a very simple way, and it will be just like a straight line or even a parabolic sort of equation. So entire thing with so many variables is turning into a very small equations like a y square is equal to 4x, simple like that, as simple as like this. So every machine learning curve with so many data will fit onto such kind of equations easily. So this was my simple hypothesis based on which I wrote this paper. And when I wrote this paper, I experimented with too many things, and I found that this particular like I experimented with keeping the LGD as constant and varying probability of default from 0 to 50%, then keeping probability of default as constant as 20%, and varying LGD from 0 to 100%. So all this experimentation I did, and based on that I wrote the paper, and I shared that this entire formula can be learned by machine learning quite easily. So if machine learning can learn a formula which is given for AIRB methodology, then what if I create a own formula? If we do everything from the fundamental analysis, but will not do it manually, rather we'll use machine learning technique, and then we'll do the same thing which we are doing in foundation approach and very standardized approach. So that clicked me, and for that I have written the paper. And